Namaskar dear children, how are you? I am sure you liked the video Important Forts in Maharashtra. You must also be feeling positive and inspired after listening to the song about Shivaji Maharaj in the video. But many of you might think, who was this Shivaji Maharaj and why do we need to learn about him and his forts? So, here is the answer to all your doubts. Shivaji Maharaj was a great leader who was born in Maharashtra on 19th February 1630. He established Hindavi Swaraj in Maharashtra. By doing so, he made the people of Maharashtra very happy. As we all live in Maharashtra, it is important for us to know and learn about Shivaji Maharaj and Maharashtra. So, let's know something about our own state, Maharashtra. Maharashtra is located in the Deccan Plateau of India and it is also known as Dakhan. You have already learned about various landforms in Standard 3. Plateau is a landform. We have great ancient temples, amazing caves, beautiful monuments and strong forts in Maharashtra, and we are proud of it. This year in Standard 4, you are going to learn about the history of Shivaji Maharaj. History is the study of the past. In the history of Environmental Studies Part 2, we are going to learn about all the important events in the life of Shivaji Maharaj and the great work done by him. But it is also important for us to know who were the rulers of Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj and what was the condition of Maharashtra when Shivaji Maharaj decided to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra. Children, we are going to learn about this from the first lesson of EVS 2, Maharashtra before Shivaji. So let's begin. Shivaji Maharaj was a great leader. So every year we celebrate his birth anniversary, that is Shiv Jayanti, with great joy. It is a very happy day for all of us. We garland his picture or a statue. We sing povadas in his honor. Povada means an inspirational song which describes the great work done by great people. We say Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji and Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. But before Shivaji Maharaj, there was monarchy in India everywhere. Monarchy means rule of a king or a prince, and people have to obey orders of the kings. Most of the kings in those days were selfish. They were not concerned about the people in their kingdom. They were the enemies of each other and they were constantly fighting against each other to get more land and more money. But even in those days, there were few kings who were really great. They took very good care of the people in their kingdom. They always tried to bring happiness to the people in their kingdom. For example, Mughal Emperor Akbar from north and King Krishna Dev Rai of Vijayanagar from south always looked after the welfare of their subjects or people. They are famous in history for their kind-hearted rule. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today because he established Hindavi Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. In those days, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of Maharashtra was ruled by Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. The period in which Shivaji Maharaj was born and ruled is called as medieval period of history. For making history easy to understand, it is divided into three periods: ancient, medieval and modern. Ancient period is the period before 6th century. Medieval period is the period between 6th century and 18th century. And the period after the year 1850 is known as the modern period of history. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived is a medieval period, as we know. The two sultans, Adil Shah and Nizam Shah, were the enemies of each other. They were constantly fighting against each other. As a result, people suffered a lot and they were always in trouble. They did not have enough food to eat. They could not worship their gods. They could not celebrate their festivals openly, and they were not safe even in their own homes. They were under constant fear. These sultans appointed officers to work for them, and in return, sultans used to give them a piece of land which is called as Jagir or Watan. So the officers working for sultans were called as Jagirdars or Watandars. They were also fighting against each other. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this and he decided to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Shivaji Maharaj brought all the people of Maharashtra together and used them for the work of Swaraj. He fought against powerful enemies and established Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to all. Now, what is the meaning of justice and fair play? It means people in Swaraj were happy. All their basic needs were fulfilled. Shivaji Maharaj honored the saints of all religions and he made the people of Swaraj happy. Shivaji Maharaj, with his willpower and positive attitude, made impossible things possible. So we should respect him and should draw inspiration from his good work. We should feel proud that we are born in the same land in which Shivaji Maharaj was born, and we should always follow his example. Children, before Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra, there were many great saints who taught many good things to the people of Maharashtra. These teachings of the saints helped Shivaji Maharaj in the work of Swaraj. We are going to learn in detail about the work of these saints in our next lesson. Till then, find out more information about Shivaji Maharaj, find out povadas about Shivaji Maharaj and listen to them. Bye.